Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Tuesday. This is the 19th August. A little bit of selling today in the S&P and the Nasdaq. Partly, I can't really point to anything specific. It's Nvidia kind of broke down a little bit here out of that consolidation. You can see right there. That's partly to do with it, and some of the mega caps obviously underperforming today. We'll see what happens there. Overall, not a big change. I think if this is the beginning of something bigger, we probably head down to 6,400 on the S&P. If this is a buy the dip type situation, if we break through that, then I think we've got 6,300 and maybe even down to here. But for now, I wouldn't. Tomorrow I think is going to be the critical day to see if, in fact, this is a buying opportunity here in the context of that bigger trend. Bitcoin also interesting, coming down pretty hard. Let's see if it holds this 112K. Pretty much all the other markets not really doing. Interest rates dead in the water, dollar dead in the water, just treading here, trying to rally. But again, nothing new here. Nat gas coming down to some really critical levels here at the 275 mark. Kind of trying to bounce here, maybe putting in a bottom here. We'll see. This has been very, very tricky. Continue to kind of just trend lower, but at some point, it's getting to. I think it's getting close to some bottoming action. Based on the contango that you see on the forward-looking charts. But too early to say. UNG incidentally is right at the lows as well. But too early to make that judgment call there. So overall, a lot of summer trading. I think, again, it's much too early to make any kind of judgment as to whether this is the beginning of a bigger correction. We still have Powell on Friday. That's going to be the big one. I think that can kick in some volatility. If he comes up dovish, I think the market rebounds. If he's hawkish, I think that markets won't like that. And in fact, there's still that issue with Trump. Would not surprise me if he is reluctant to lower rates if he gets fired, and that's going to obviously cause some dislocation in the market. So that sums it up. Okay, so I have another class coming up in a couple of weeks. I'll post that. Put some chat in there in the chat and below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the newsletter. Otherwise, have a great rest of your week. Friday's going to be very interesting.